Hi, my name is Launa, and today I will show you how to print large-scale artwork or posters with a standard printer. So let's begin!
So you will need a ruler, scotch tape, a paper knife and standard printer for A4 size paper. This work will be 50 by 70 centimeters in a 5:7 ratio. This is my own drawing, and if you are interested, I include the link below. To print larger scale work using a smaller printer, select poster size option in the print setup. This will print multiple pages of the work at the exact size. Make sure to select option for cut marks, as these will serve as a guide for trimming the edges afterward. To understand which piece of paper to begin with, lay down all the pages in order to see how they fit together. I'll begin with the first page. First excess edge must be cut. I'll start by trimming one side of the paper and then gluing it to the next page using tape. This order makes it easier for me, but you can choose whichever method works best for you. Make sure to glue the pages together perfectly aligned to achieve a more accurate result. Here, I place small pieces of tape on the front of drawing to keep it in place. When turning it to the back side, it stays aligned while placing tape over the two pages to join them together. Afterward, these small pieces of tape are removed. And here is the final result. The seams are not very noticeable. Of course, they are visible in close-ups, but not so much from a distance. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial was helpful for you, hit the thumbs up. Bye!